Here we go into the goat barn, and before we go into the goat barn, I'm going to turn to my right. You can see the goat corral some. I'm going to continue turning around, and over here by the gate is no one but yours truly, Ranger. He's a Great Pyrenees. He's the father of the pups. He's 2 years old, and he's been a good dog. He stays pretty much with the goats right now. He's up here at the corral, and the goats are way off in the pasture. He's not very interested, but I bet you he knows where they're at. Continuing to the right, Australot, chickens, 7 hens and rooster. Alright, here we go back to the goat barn, and let's go inside. Over here is the goat that we call Bambi, and right here is one of Lucy, the sick goat. This is her twin, and there's one nursing Bambi. And if you look close, on the other side of Bambi, is the second twin of Lucy's, and Bambi has adopted them. Bambi lost her baby this year, as well as last year, and she was very obliged to adopt these two twins. Okay, see like their ears cute. Okay, let's go to the next baby that we have. Let me think about this, because they happened to this morning. Yesterday we had this set of twins, and this is goat number 7, and there's her twins there. Alright, and then this morning when I came out to feed, we had a set of twins, which is right here, and she's busy eating leaves. I'm using oak leaves as bedding because there's abundance around here, free. It makes a good bed for them. And then this morning we also had number 15 had a single, and it's over there behind her nursing now. So that's the extent of the birthing, plus the Great Pyrenees and our Angus have started calving some. But stay tuned, and we will try to keep you updated. Let's take a shot of Ranger. He's kind of depressed. He's alone. His partner's not having anything to do with him.